Remove empty strings from a list of strings. I want to remove all empty strings from a list of strings in Python. My idea looks like this. Is there any more Pythonic way to do this?
I would use filter. Python 3 returns an iterator from filter, so should be wrapped in a call to list.
Using a list comprehension is the most Pythonic way. If the list must be modified in place, because there are other references which must see the updated data, then use a slice assignment.
Filter actually has a special option for this. It will filter out all elements that evaluate to false. No need to use an actual callable here such as bool, len and so on. It's equally fast as map, bool.
Compare time. Notice that filter, none, lstr, does not remove empty strings with a space, it only prunes away, while .join, lstr, .split, removes both. To use filter, with white space strings removed, it takes a lot more time.
Sum up best answers. 1. Eliminate NPs without stripping. That is, all space strings are retained. Pros. Simplest. Fastest, see benchmarks below. 2. To eliminate empties after stripping. 2.a, when strings do not contain spaces between words. Pros. Small code. Fast. But not fastest with big datasets due to memory, contrary to what at Paulo Melchior results. 2.b, when strings contain spaces between words. Pros. Fastest. Understandability of the code. Benchmarks on a 2018 machine.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.